Giants benching QB Daniel Jones amid 2-8 start to season. Tommy DeVito expected to start. The days of Danny Dimes and the Big Apple might well have come to their conclusion. Daniel Jones has been benched as the Giants' starting quarterback. NFL Network insider Ian Rappaport reported Monday morning. Drew Lock and Tommy DeVito are New York's backup options. DeVito is expected to start over Jones and Lock on Sunday against the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. NFL Network insider Tom Pelissero reported Monday. Jones, the number 6 overall selection of the 2019 NFL Draft, has been the Giants' franchise quarterback since taking over for Eli Manning in Week 3 of his rookie season. A week after Dable told reporters he would be evaluating things as it related to Jones remaining his starter. The evaluation has resulted in a change that is likely to signal a massive alteration for the franchise going forward. 6 days prior, Giants general manager Joe Schoen said the team would make a decision based on what was best for New York on the field, not a monetary one as it relates to a $23 million injury guarantee for Jones, a situation similar to the 2022 Las Vegas Raiders with Derek Carr and last season with Denver Broncos and Russell Wilson. After this season, Jones has no remaining guaranteed salary remaining on his contract. In 10 starts this season, Jones has thrown just 8 touchdowns to 7 interceptions, having gone without a TD pass in 6 games. He's thrown for 2,070 yards, just 6.1 yards per attempt, and has a 79.4 passer rating. The Giants going to DeVito over Lock is a bit of a surprise. New York signed Lock, a former second-round pick, to a 1-year, $5 million deal in the offseason, with nearly all the money guaranteed, to serve as Jones' backup. Lock has appeared in just 2 games so far this season, completing 3 of 8 passes for 6 yards. DeVito, meanwhile, started 6 games for the team last season with a 3-3 record, throwing for 1,101 yards, 8 touchdowns, and 3 interceptions. The undrafted second-year QB's familiarity and success in Brian Dable's offense played a factor in the Giants' decision to go with him over Lock to replace Jones, Rappaport and Pelissero reported. Jones has been under scrutiny all season as New York has stumbled to a 2-8 record, and his career has largely been played amid just as much examination. The Duke product succession of Manning was largely celebrated as he was superstar for a New York minute when he threw for 336 yards and 2 touchdowns in his first NFL start, guiding the 2019 Giants to their first win against, as it just so happens, the Buccaneers, Big Blue's upcoming opponent. However, Jones' career would become a mishmash of highs with his arm and legs and lows with consistency, mounting losses and different coaches leading him. In his first 4 seasons, Jones played for 3 head coaches. The last was Dable, who took over in 2022, when Jones had largely his best year statistically, his only winning season, and his only playoff berth. After going 9-7-1, Jones also quarterbacked New York to a wild-card playoff win against the Minnesota Vikings before getting waxed by the Philadelphia Eagles in the divisional round. In the clarity of hindsight, that run of success in Dable's first year created an ill-timed domino effect. The Giants' first winning season since 2016 led to Jones getting a quickly maligned 4-year, $160 million contract, while star running back Saquon Barkley got only a franchise tag that led to a reworked 1-year extension. Barkley subsequently signed with the Eagles this past offseason and is flourishing, as Jones has been floundering and Big Blue along with him. Jones' final start came in Munich, with the Giants losing to the Panthers as Jones threw a pair of interceptions. Across 5+ seasons, Jones' QB record sits at 24-44-1, having completed 1,437 of 2,241 passes, 64.1%, for 14,582 yards, 70 touchdowns, and 47 interceptions to go along with 2,179 rushing yards and 15 touchdowns. The man deemed to be the future under center by the previous regime is now being moved on from by the current powers that be in Gotham. Jones' future is as uncertain as ever, but it would seem the Giants will be one in which they begin searching for another franchise QB.